How to add music to your profile on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. As you can see, I have added in this music to my profile. Whenever someone taps on it, this music will play. If you also want to do the same for your profile on Facebook, then make sure you stick till the end, and let's get right into this video. Firstly, come to your profile section and tap on the three dots, and inside of this setting you'll see an option of search. Tap on search, and under shortcuts you'll have music. Tap on music and tap on plus on the top right. From here you can choose the music that you want to add into your Facebook profile. Just tap on the music, and after that tick mark has appeared, you can hit back and the music will be added to this section again. Tap on the three dots and tap on pin to profile. After that is done, if you head back, you can see that the music has been added to the profile, but however you can only add in one music. I previously had a different music, and as soon as I added the different one, the first one got replaced and the second one got added. This music should be added for yours, and if when someone taps on the music, other people will be able to hear the music that you added in. So that's the exact process of adding in music to your Facebook profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.